What's up guys, JB here with Iconic Mods, and today we're doing another product review for you guys. This one is more of a throwback or answering questions, so to speak. A long time ago I got a lot of questions about a video I made a while back about a Srocker CS10 mouse, and a lot of people can't seem to find it. Well, I'm here to help you find the mouse and answer any more questions you may have. So do I think you should buy this mouse, and is it worth it? My personal opinion is yes, and freaking absolutely yes. Buy this mouse. I love it. You're gonna love it too. Go get it. Don't ask any more questions. Just click on the damn link down in the description below and pick one up. Matter of fact, pick up 2, 3, or 4. Send them out as gifts. And the reason I say that is because they might end up like the Srocker where they disappear. You can't find the damn things. So go right now. Don't keep looking at me. Go click the link and go buy one right now. Why are you still here? Go buy the mouse. All right, for the rest of you who want to find out why I'm saying that, stay tuned. Now, if this happens to be your first time rocking with me on the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I do tech videos about case mods, custom PC builds, and product reviews, just like the one we're doing right now. Now, if you're into any of that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you bang that bell, so that way you don't miss any notifications about any videos I got coming up in the future. So you know how we do. Sit back, chillax, grab your popcorn, grab your drink, and let's get into it. All right, so let's crack this bad boy open and see what's inside. Now, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. You know I had to test this out, so I've already opened the packaging, so yeah, you can see that I've opened it here. But I had to test it out to make sure it was what I thought it was gonna be for this video. And if you've seen my Srocker video, which I'll leave a link in the description somewhere up here on the screen, somewhere, I don't know which corner it is, but it's gonna be there. And you saw that that one came in literally a brown box. That was all that it was. It was literally a brown box with the word Srocker written on it. This box is much nicer. As you can see, it's got pictures of the mouse on it. It's got information on it, all that good stuff. Stuff that the Srocker didn't even include. It tells you it connects up to 30 meters. It's got 250 polling rate and all that good stuff. Oh man, it's pretty dope. The battery life lasts forever. If it's anything like the Srocker, which I think it is, in my personal opinion, they're literally identical, then this battery life on this is awesome. So let's go ahead and crack this open, pull it out, and give you guys a hands-on. And that's about it. There is some manual paperwork in the back of that, but it's whatever. Nobody cares about that anyway, right? It's all about the mouse. So let me give you a first side-by-side comparison. As you can see, literally, besides the logo, they are literally identical. So, and I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a fan video. This is a video for everybody who's been watching my channel for a while, who's been asking me repeatedly in the comments on that Srocker video, where can they get this mouse, because they want it, but they can't find it. Well, I'm here to tell you that this new Fome mouse is an exact replica of this Srocker C10S. Everything from the color scheme all the way down to the fit and feel and function of the mouse. Everything, literally. The only difference is the logo. And the fact that this one lights up when the mouse is on, and this one does not. So other than that, they're identical. So with that being said, let's get rid of this one. Now, we're gonna focus on this bad boy right here, because this is what the video is about, this one. It's got the same exact thumb rest right here, which is pretty much ideal. Now this is considered, in my personal opinion, this would be considered a travel size mouse. It is a little bit bigger than a travel size mouse, but it's not a full size. I wish it was. I wish it was a little bit longer, like the Vixing mouse that I actually use now as my current daily driver. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't even use the Srocker anymore because I use this. I use the Vixing, and it's because, and I'll link the video on this one too. I used this one since then. And that's because this one is slightly bigger. It fits my hand a little bit better. It's not as quiet, but it is quiet enough for what I need it for. So that's that. But yeah, back to this one. It has the same rubber coating on the top, on both sides here, for your thumb grip, for your right and left clicks right here. Now the side buttons on this are still not inaudible. They are still you can still hear them when you click on them. You have your scroll wheel up here, which is still audible, unfortunately. You've got your DPI button here, which I can't remember the exact DPI settings, but I'll put them on the screen as well. And that's about it for the top. The wheel has some tactile feedback to it, but not too much. It's just enough for what you would need it for. Now on this other side here, you still have your ring finger and pinky finger rest areas here, which is pretty nice. I would have liked for this side right here to be the same rubber texture that's on the top. I feel like it would be a lot more comfortable. And I'm saying that from someone who's used the Srocker for over a year. Now, when you flip it on the bottom, it's got the same 5 slides that the Srocker has. So it's got the on and off switch right here. It does go into sleep mode if you leave it alone for a while, but it's just a matter of literally sliding or touching the mouse and it wakes up within a matter of seconds. No problem at all with that there. Opening up the battery bay, you'll see that there's 2 AAA batteries inside. And there's also your nano receiver, which is plug and play. So there's really no software that goes with this mouse. You literally just plug it in and let it go. It does its own thing in a matter of seconds. Just load it up the drivers, you're good to go. And like I said, the battery life is phenomenal on this bad boy. So this mouse, in my opinion, it fits the bill for a lot of people. For a lot of people who are looking for something that is quiet, that will help them not get hit in the middle of the night, or they don't want to be waking other people up, or if you work in an office setting and you just don't want to have to hear people complaining about the clicks. So this fits the bill for a lot of people. Now we're going to jump into a sound test so I can compare this mouse to some other mice that I have. It's a Corsair, I have a Razer mouse, the Vixing silent one that I just showed you guys, and a Srocker as well. So you guys can kind of see the difference between the sound. And then we'll go from there, all right? All right, guys, so this review's over. That's it. Do I think you should buy the product, and is it worth it? Abso-freaking-lutely. And I just found out recently that the Srocker C10S is actually back in stock. So I'll drop links in the description for both products so you can pick and choose which one you want to get and just pick it up. Now, these are affiliate links and they do help out the channel, so if you decide to buy some, thank you. But yeah, that's it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share it on social media so we can grow this community some more. And if you guys have any more questions, I'll be down in the comments for about an hour after I drop the video, as always. And I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace. What's up, guys? JB here with Iconic Minds. I am super stoked about today's video. And the reason for that is, this is a nod to all the people who've been rocking with me for a minute. Now, I did a video on